In a land where electricity is not just a service, but a vital lifeline and source of people's deepest hopes, it is not imagination. These are the true colors of daily life. From lightening remote villages to powering manufacturing plants, every watt of energy moves the nation toward a brighter future. At the core of this system, transformers carry the weight of illumination. When a single transformer fails, the grid slows, darkness spreads, and major financial losses follow. In this report, we are highlighting a critical decision, a step towards self-sufficiency, independence, and the vision of energy-capable Afghanistan. According to its strategic plan, the Afghanistan Roshna Shirkat is activating 8 specialized transformer repair workshops in Kabul, Ghazni, Paktian, Nangarhar, Balkh, Parwan, and Kandahar provinces. Through this initiative, transformers, whether government-owned or private, will be repaired by domestically skilled power technicians and reconnected to the national grid. These workshops will improve service quality, ensure timely repairs, prevent overload and financial losses, create jobs for technical staff, and help transformer expertise to the next generation.
خود همی پروژه ورکشاپ ترمیم ترانسفورمر با بهره برداری ازی میتواند در یک سال حدود 24 میلیون افغانی که هزینه کلی پروژه است بتوانیم ما از این مفاد به دست بیاریم.
These new workshops will significantly reduce downtime, delivering electricity to consumers with high stability. Energy losses will decrease, voltage will remain consistent, and the grid will grow stronger. If any areas become overloaded, transformers will be transported to the nearest workshop for immediate repair with a replacement unit installed without delay. This initiative also brings substantial economic benefits. It prevents the waste of national assets, reduces long-distance transportation of transformers, protects equipment from prolonged outages, and ensures that financial resources now circulate within Afghanistan's economy.
چون ماشینری ما زیاد شده و همکارای ما انشالله هستن، تقریبا اگر بگویم 12 روز ما یک ترانسفورمر ترمیم میکردیم، حال ما میتونیم در طول هفته یعنی در 6 روز ما میتونیم حالی را تکمیل بکنیم.
The activation of 8 transformer repair workshops across 8 provincial units alongside the technical project represents a major achievement in self-sufficiency, cost reductions, grid strengthening, and continuous delivery of electricity services.